I just can't get in the seat. Thing moves pretty good. I told you. I just barely hit the gas there for just a second. This jump will go viral. Maybe. Palms are sweaty. Let's get lined up here. Dang it. All right. Anybody want to do a countdown? Countdown from 5. Who else? Anybody want to do it? You will be missed, buddy. Anyone want to do a countdown? Three, 2, 1, go! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! I made it! 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 Now then, can we make this one? Can we make this one? I don't know if I want to be all the way up here on this hill when I do it. Probably just down here on the stop, brakes. Thing flew alright. Need to get straight here. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Question is, can I make it this way? Because this way's a lot more of a jump. Because it's got to go both 3 across and 2 up. Had a block to spare. Think I could have made a 4-block jump. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, this does not look good. This does not look good. Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy! Did you see that? Oh my! Oh my lord! Oh my lord! Oh! Oh my lord! Bloody elf bells! Alright, something I want to try. Something I want to try. Let's get a replay. You need a bigger ramp. And more spikes, right? A bigger ramp and more spikes. Let's do this. From a running start. Yee-hoo-hoo! I almost landed on the house. Oh, I almost landed on the house. I almost landed on the house. If I just had a little bit more ramp, I could land on the house. If I just had a little bit more ramp, I could land on the house. I could almost... Yeah, beans, right? Actually, no, it's little pizza things. Oh, no, not into the spikes. Not into the spikes. Not into the spikes at all. Let's see if I can get up here. And we're up there! Need a good turnaround spot though. Oh, no. Yep. Oh, wrong way. Learn how to drive, Sharky. Oh. No. Alright. Let's go for it again. Woohoo! We're going to jump over this time. Going for the jump over. Woo-hoo-hoo! I cleared it completely. Look at that. That is freaking amazing. Evel Knievel. Can you imagine? Oh, that'd be epic. It's too bad those windows are not big enough for that. That would be freaking epic though. Just like you crash through the windows. That'd be like boom, boom. That'd be like something out of a Resident Evil movie or something. That'd be awesome. Just crashing through windows. Let's see if I can land on it this time. Oh, spikes! Woo-hoo-hoo. Oh, I almost landed on the spikes. Almost landed on the spikes. Did not go too well that time. Some crazy physics at work there. Some crazy ramps at work here. What are you talking about? Uh-oh. Good thing we had the safety net here. Good thing we had the safety net. We're gonna have to pull it apart. It's funny that it's still running even though I've taken out like the engine. It kept on running until I took away the frame, the rebar, the frame there. Okay, so what have we learned here? Besides this is awesome. Besides that, we learned that this right here works. Learned that we could actually probably even go make a 4-block jump. We also learned that this gives us more air than what we need to get.